Are you looking for a smartwatch? Here I have two of the latest smartwatches from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi Watch S1, the Xiaomi Watch S1 Active with a starting price of 649 ringgit. Let's take a look at the design. The Xiaomi Watch S1 comes with the leather strap, sapphire glass and stainless steel case that gave me a premium and smart feel. People who like to work out may prefer the Watch S1 Active as it features a silicone strap and metal bezel. Of course, both watches come with a few color variants to choose from. The Watch S1 comes in black and silver, while the Watch S1 Active have a choice of face black and moon white. Next up, we have the tech spec. Both come with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display that supports a 60Hz refresh rate, more than 200 watch faces, 117 fitness modes, 19 professional modes, 5 ATM water resistant, all-day blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate monitoring, advanced sleep monitoring, Mastercard cashless payment, dual band GPS, and Alexa voice assistant. Besides that, these smartwatches are powered by 470 mAh battery and they can last up to 12 days and 24 days in battery saving mode. The Watch S1 series also features a wireless charging dock and magnetic charging cable for the active variant. As for the pricing, the Watch S1 has a price tag of 899 ringgit, while the active variant is 649. Overall, I think these smartwatches are quite cool and affordable, but unfortunately, it doesn't suit people who have small wrists like me. Well, maybe Xiaomi can come up with more sizes for us in the future. So what do you think about these smartwatches? Let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and peace out. Bye!